Alright folks, well we made it back. And as you can see here, this is why I'm building this automatic watering system. I got that black lab and that blue heater, and they will turn over these water pans. Now I got our big bathtub over here full of dirt because she gets in and takes a bath about 4 times a day. But if you look out here in my yard, you'll see that we dump the water so much so often that all this is just pretty much saturated like a little mud pond, you know. But anyhow, we got the old water, automatic dog water hooked up and running. I see we got a leak in the, when the ferrule goes into the 1/4-inch line and the 1/2-inch valve. There's got float inside there. Once it reaches a certain level, it should cut this off, hopefully. Let me show you how I hooked it up over here by the grapevine. I put that valve you see right there, which has got a leak. And I think it's coming out of that nipple. We'll have to fix that, but we're just testing the water, automatic watering system. That's a professional automatic watering system out right now. Now I know that I'm probably going to do something with that line because I'm afraid them dogs are going to trip and tear that up. But I'll figure a way to cover it up or something there. So back to the old watering system. She's filling up. Let's see if she cuts off. Kind of wish I'd have thought about this a little bit earlier. Man, I get tired of dumping these water pans. Well, this one here, if it works properly, when you fill it up, and you get a little dirt in there, all you got to do is slush it around a little bit, grab the, I guess you call it the bucket, the system, flip it out, clean it, let it fill back up. Well, it's starting to slow down a little bit. Let's see how it works out. There we go. I'm kind of curious if I got that valve located in the right spot so that it fills up pretty much the maximum to the top, 1/2 inch or less. Use wood on the end. We'll see how long that lasts, but it should last quite a while. There you go, it's shut off. We got it set just right. You see how high the level is. Now let's see what happens when we splash a little out of it. There you go, it goes back to filling up again, so she can knock all that water out there she wants. Both them old water dogs. Check it one more time, make sure it shuts off. Good thing about it, to keep this in the shade, you'll always have cool water. It's not like filling a big old water pan and no fresh water coming in it. There we go, folks. She stopped. And that concludes my video. I hope this helps a few of y'all. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to build another one. And during the build process, I'll give you dimensions, sizes, and material used. Stay tuned for the other video. It may take me a few days, but we'll get you another one together. Thanks for watching.